We want every transit trip to be safe, clean, and reliable. That's why we've created 24-hour, 7-day-a-week cleaning crews to make sure that our 1,800 shelters and other facilities across the county are in top shape. We've more than doubled the number of transit security officers to 170. We now have our behavioral health teams and behavioral health specialists, and they've been engaging folks who need help. Some 400 calls for folks who needed de-escalation or to be guided to treatment.
Our goal is to go out there to find people that need help. It's all about outreaching, hear them, hear their story, listening to them, tell them what we do, offer those services, finding what they need, and direct them to the appropriate services that they need.
We are here as a resource for them, a positive resource, and we will try to assist them as much as we can, or we'll try to find someone that can get them help. People have come up to us and they say that they're glad we're on the bus, they're glad that we helped them out. I just love helping people also, and this job is perfect for that.
We heard loud and clear from folks that more presence was needed on transit and that we show up in the right way. For example, riders asked us to have police show up for certain situations, and they asked us to have trained behavioral health people show up for others. If something's not right out there on the system, we want to hear from our riders. If it's an emergency, people can call and text 911, and if it's something less urgent, they can visit us at kingcounty.gov/metro/contact.
We are increasing transit security staff, increasing our behavioral health teams, increasing our transit ambassador program, and increasing our cleaning program to make sure we keep the system in top condition. And of course, we continue to hire more bus operators to keep our system growing right alongside light rail.